Hey, happy Monday. I wanted to shoot you a quick video. And also I've got some notes so I don't forget what I want to say here. So when you see me looking around, that's what I'm doing. I was with a young mother yesterday who was, how do I raise three kids like to have a lot of joy in their lives and not have the current mess that's going on wreck their childhoods. And it reminded me of, and we had that conversation. It reminded me, though, of this essay that has been really sitting with me. It asks, where did all the fun and the joy and the warmth go? Um, and it listed what's missing in our current White House: laughter, pets, music, images of families being human together. And it really hit me this morning as I'm sort of rolling those two together that warmth isn't a weakness, it's a stabilizer. And when warmth disappears, I think things become wobbly and chaotic. There's a line from I think it was a podcast that I saw a number of months ago, like probably November, and I can't shake it. I'm going to just read it to you to make sure I don't get it right, don't get it wrong. You know you are living in a fascist society when you are constantly going over in your head the reasons why you are safe. Right? It implies that you know that others aren't safe. And um, that's, I think, exactly what happens when the collective warmth begins to disappear. Like people isolate and um, they self monitor, they hold back, they stop extending to one another because the world feels dangerous. There's a fMRI study that I really like sharing the results. The research participant is a wife, and she has her foot is pricked with a little pin. And when that happens in the MRI, there's a little pain spike. And then they switch it up and they have the husband be with her. And if this is the first pain spike, this is the second one. Without him, with him, without him, with him. In other words, even in the brain, warmth mitigates pain. Connection, warmth mitigates pain. Lately, there's been a little bit of stabilizing love playing out on the streets, I think. Um, ordinary citizens are running, out into the streets, tr- questioning the arrest or abduction, some people are saying, of people without due process, by people who are in masks who knows who they are as officials. And so, I mean, strangers locking arms, filming, bearing witness, that's not chaos. That's a society, you know, that's remembering itself. It's remembering itself. So, um, that kind of visible warmth, I can see you, you're not alone. I think that's what keeps the culture human, people being kind and connected and warm to each other. So, um, in this wackadoodle world we're currently in, hold the ones you love close and hold the others also close. Connection is stability. As always, will you please share this video with someone that you care about who you think might find this helpful? Thank you.